Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos. So today, I wanted to film a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial for you guys. For those of you who are going out, I probably am not. Maybe we're gonna do like a nice dinner or something, but I'm one of those who likes to go to sleep at like 10:30, wake up at midnight. Oh, Happy New Year, you know? I don't like the scene of crowded bars. Like if someone wants to invite me to their place and do something there, I'll do that. BYOB, down for that. Today I wanted to do a tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palettes because I use it for Thanksgiving, I use it for Christmas, and now we're going to use it for New Year's. I really want you to get your money's worth because I think this palette is just amazing. You can get so many different looks, and I definitely wanted to play with some colors that I generally don't. For those of you who want to add a little bit of smokiness for your New Year's Eve, I've got a tutorial for you. I'll also link down below my other tutorials I've done with this palette, which honestly up to you, whatever's appropriate, whatever you want to wear to ring in the new year, feel free to do so, but I just want to do something a little bit more fun for you all. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we already got this eye almost done here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is my left eye, and I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. Like, I am getting so much use out of this palette. Not only is it a great fall palette, I think it's a great glam palette for like any season. And for New Year's, I definitely wanted to do something a little darker, smokier here, and really just kind of play with all the colors that I have on in the palettes. I'm going to go in with the shade Ginger. And this is just like a great all over transition shade. I feel like just for like any skin tone, it's buildable. You can, just have like a nice little light layer if you definitely have lighter skin, or if you just, don't want to intensify it that much, or you can really kind of build it. I just love this palette in general. It's just very like women of color friendly. I love it so much because definitely I feel like a lot of other palettes, the thought into like all skin tone inclusivity just really isn't there, especially when it comes to something as simple as like transition shades, where it's like a really pale, type of brown. It's like, really, how is everybody supposed to use that? So I just love all the thought that was put into this palette. Next, we're going to go in with the shade Supreme, this like bright pink shade right here. And this one we're just going to put right into the crease. Just give us a little pop of pinkness. Ooh. And like, definitely don't be afraid of color. Play with it. Add it, a little subtle hint of color, or really go in with it. Just play. This is your time to be artistic and creative. I'm bringing that into the inner corner, and then I'll kind of do a little like halo-esque eye today. I like a good halo eye because it can be a really simple halo eye, but it just looks really fancy. Or you can, use as many colors as you want, but that pigmentation is on point though. Now I'm going to add a little bit more pinkness to it, and I'm going to take that shade Pinker, which is just like a nice berry mauve shade. And this one I'm just going to put right underneath, so I still have a little bit of that Supreme peeking through. But kind of same thing, just bring it a little bit lower. We're going to bring it into the inner corner, into the outer corner. Kind of leaving some space in the middle, but don't worry, we can clean that up. So just patting and blending, patting and blending. Pack, blend, blend, blend. And then before we go into the next step, I'm just gonna take that brush that I use for Supreme and just kind of blend and marry them together. No additional product. You can add a little bit extra if you want now or later, but just kind of blending these two guys together just to make my job a little bit easier at the very end. And then once more with that big fluffy brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Credit. It's a nice dark brown, and I'm gonna take one of the ABH brushes that comes with the ABH palettes. And this one, I'm just gonna focus on the outer and the inner corner. I'm going to turn that around, and we're going to blend. Don't worry if we don't blend the middle, because we're still going to put a little bit of sparkle shade there. It's fine if this is not perfect, because we're still going to add a little bit more. once we do the center shade. Right, now what I'm going to do is just take a concealer, any more like a mattifying concealer, and I'm just going to carve out that center shade just so that whatever eyeshadow I put on there is just going to be a little bit more potent. All right, now for the center shade that I'm going to put on there, I'm going to take a little bit of this Lituation and a MAC 242 brush. And now here's where I'm just going to go back in with that shade Credit, and now just blend Credit and Lituation together. So just kind of bringing that in. And now, so you can totally leave Lituation like this, or what I did is I went back in with Zam. You can do Zam or Soleil, but Zam. And just kind of added that in the center. Ooh. We get litty. Ooh, yeah. I need a little more over here. Because it's New Year's and we gonna be glam. Come on. Come on. Can't be going into New Year looking basic. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of that pink, or that brush that I use for pink, and we're just kind of just blending that top, just blending everything together. Ooh. And now, I don't know, I think I kind of like this with no wing liner. Or wing, I'm not sure. And I think I'm gonna do no wing liner just so you can really see the lid, so don't cover anything up. All right, I already gone in and hydrated my face with the Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer. I will actually be doing a full-on side-by-side wear test for you guys. I wanted to compare it to another primer just to kind of see how well is it really working, but now that it's kind of sunken in a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. I'm telling you guys, I am almost running out of this. And that just shows you how much I love it, because you've seen here on the channel just how many foundations I have to play with. But this one, and I think I know the Fenty one, was really a favorite of mine for the summer, now winter, just all year round. But then also the other one that I have been in love with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. So I know I've been using that one for tutorials. So I feel like this Maybelline Dream Urban Cover is like a great glam luminous one as well, but on a budget. So if you can't quite afford the Anastasia one, which still honestly I feel like isn't as expensive compared to what you might normally find at like Sephora. Same thing with the Fenty, they're like around the 30s. Usually average a foundation you might find at Sephora, a brand foundation you might find at Sephora will run you anywhere from $45 plus. So those are definitely more budgety friendly, or just get the Maybelline. Like the Maybelline I love for everyday glam, like the coverage is just amazing, luminosity, and like this has honestly become one of my favorite foundations. So if it doesn't work with the Benefit, like I can tell you know, so if it doesn't work with a favorite foundation, the primer, don't know, that says a lot I feel like about the primer as opposed to the foundation. Because surprisingly I did really like this foundation with the Benefit Poreless Putty, which really doesn't offer hydration, but now we're transitioning into the winter time, so do I need that extra boost? We shall see. Now I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I'm telling you, I can't put this down. I saw someone commented on one of my videos. They're like, I'm obsessed. Or she Instagrammed me. She's like, I'm just obsessed with that CoverGirl. I can't put it down. I was like, I'm telling you, it's freaking great. I just saw that e.l.f. came out with their Camo Concealer. Hydrating. So oof, I'm so excited for that one because I like the 16-hour camo, but I'm leaning towards these more hydrating concealers in general, especially in this winter time. Just in general, as I've been finding more luminous hydrating foundations, it just blends. They just marry together a little bit better. So I actually did pick up the e.l.f. 16-hour, their hydrating camo concealer. They had it at my Target. However, they only had like one shade. I don't know if that's all they had out or if that's all they had left. It's the light sand shade, which looking at it, it looked like it could probably work. It definitely will probably be more highlighting because I know in the camo concealer I had medium sand. So we shall see how that works. And if not, I'll return it and just hopefully try to find it at another Target, or my own Target will restock. Or should I just go see if they've restocked? I don't know. Or I'm actually going to go to the movies and they have the Target in like Bucktown on Elston. I don't know my directions very well, but I can tell you where all the Targets are located. That I do know. All right, so going to go in with the NYX HD finishing powder and going to set my under eye concealer. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and honestly I don't think I'm going to do winged liner, so I'm just going to do a little line with my NYX matte liquid liner and put on my lashes, so I'll be right back just so I don't bore you with that. Alright, we've got the lashes, and I'm glad no winged liner. I want to see as much of the lid shade as possible, and I went in with my Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish my lower lash line, and I'm going to go back into the palette, and I think I'm just going to take the shade Pinker just for the bottom. And then I'm gonna go back in with the shade Credits just to add a little bit of smokiness on the outer edge. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I'm going to take the shade Private Island. Just trying to mix up all my brands for the new year. And just add a little bit of bronzer with my e.l.f. Precision brush. A little bit of a dimension. I already combed my hair beforehand, so we are good. 2020 goals, comb your hair more. Because I get really lazy, and just after I take a shower at night, because I'm a night shower person, I comb it out, but I don't tend to like blow dry it. So of course you go to sleep with it wet, which I don't know if you're Latino here, I don't know if your grandmother ever told you like not to go to sleep with your hair wet. I don't know, she said something like you're gonna like grow worms out of your hair or something, or you're gonna get sick, or just like all that stuff, which doesn't happen. But it does get like all clumped up and knotty the next day and just like all frizzy and crap. So I've got to either blow dry my hair at night or straighten it, for the morning if I know I'm not gonna get it done in the morning, just at least so it's not all frizzy and stuff. Comb my hair. Maybe I'll wear makeup to work. Maybe. Look a little bit presentable. Even if it's just a simple do your brows and mascara. Not need foundation. Then I'm just going to go back in with that NYX HD finishing powder. And I'm just going to clean up that bronzer contour. For my blush, just out of convenience, because it's right here, the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in Peach Primrose. Just a little bit. I have a lot going on with the eyes, so you can even skip it if you want. Just add like extra bronzer. And then I'm just going to clean up this contour, and we are pretty much done. I already know which lipstick I'm going to wear. I'm just going to change, I'm not going to wear this pajamas. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Soleil, and I'm just going to add that to my inner, ooh, yes, tear duct. Don't forget that. You can, oh no, oh, I almost forgot my highlight. We can't go into the new year without highlight. Like, come on. About to start the new year off wrong. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlight, because we're going to go hard. This is Hustler Baby, yes. I'm going to spritz my face, and I'm going to change my shirt, and I'll be back for my lipstick, which I'm actually excited for. All right, now for the lipstick. Super excited. Feel free to do whatever you want. Ring in the new year with vampy lips, nude lips, whatever you're comfortable with. Even a nice little berry lip would go like this. But I'm excited. My cousin actually just got us all little Christmas gifts. She actually works for Pat McGrath, and so she gets a little employee discount. So she bought us lipsticks, and I was special, and I got a little lip liner because obviously makeup tutorial. So I'm super excited. So I have, ooh, just look at that, Pat McGrath. These lipsticks are like $40, and I got the lip liner, which is normally $28. So yes, I'm super excited. And actually, so this lip liner, this one is in the shade Contour, which is perfect because she's like, I don't know what to get you. You do makeup tutorials, you use every color, but I'm a sucker for a nude lip. So I'm so glad she got me the Contour lip liner. I've been looking for a nice chola brown lip liner, and then the lipstick is $19.95 or matte, yeah, $19.95, I believe. Ooh, matte. So this is their matte lipstick. So this is either $19.95, 108 Matte Trends. I think Matte Trends is the name of it. Maybe $19.95. I can totally see that. Ooh, so excited. I had just swatched them on my hands yet. I have not applied, but so buttery creamy. Swatching on my hands is like for $40. It better be. And the lip liner is actually really impressive because I had swatched it on my hand and I kind of rubbed it off, and I need a makeup remover to like finally rub that off my hands, like just with like a napkin or something. So this better be long lasting. Also, it comes, the packaging is also really cute. It comes with the sharpener, so I'm hoping this is actually a really good sharpener because I feel like my sharpeners just don't do it for like my eyeliners or lip liners. So let's just do it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Don't drop them. Now let's go in with the lipstick. I'll write the official name on the description box in case you guys are wondering once I figure it out. Ooh. Ooh. It's like a nice pinky nude. Goes with this eye look. So creamy. That's right. Pat McGrath, we going in a bougie into the new year. Chase your goals, chase your dreams. So that is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely, when I was thinking of which palette to use for the new year, I was like the Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been able to use it for Thanksgiving tutorials, Christmas tutorials, New Year's. Like, I think this is just like the perfect glam palette if you guys are really looking for something. And I think this is just one that's going to go with everybody's skin tone. Everybody can use this. So if you've not gotten your hands on it, don't snooze in 2020 for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I enjoyed doing this tutorial for you guys. Let me know if you recreate it. Tag me on Instagram with your New Year's look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time.